Hey you, welcome to today's vocabulary time. Well, today we learn about dates. If somebody else asks you, hey, when's your birthday? Or maybe, when were you born? How can we answer that question? Well, we can use a date. Look at this, November 27th, 1942. This is the way how we write or type dates in English. Month, date, and year. But actually, there are two ways to speak. Two ways to say a day in English. Look at the first one. Somebody else asks you, hey, when were you born? And you say, well, I was born on November the 27th, 1942. Or you can say, I was born the 27th of November, 1942, like in Spanish. So could you see there are two ways to say a date in English. The first one, November the 27th. We only add this word, the 27th, 1942. Or the second one, where we change completely the form. The 27th of November, we change the date and the month, and we add two words here, the and of, right? So, which one do you prefer? It's up to you. But now, maybe you're wondering, what is that TH? 27th? What is that? Come on, let's see it. Welcome to ordinal numbers. Well, we use that kind of numbers to order some things, or to order people. For example, when we are on a marathon or a race, who was the first person, the second one, the third one, right? So come on, let's see it. About ordinal numbers, we have irregular ordinal numbers and regular ordinal numbers. So let's see about irregular ordinal numbers. Well, first, second, third. And what about regular ordinal numbers? Well, the only thing you need to do is add th at the end of the cardinal number. For example, this is number 4. And how we can change it? Well, we only add th, fourth, fifth, or eighth, ninth, or what about 12, right? So at the end, we only add th, first, fifth, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, or 12th. Now, look at about 20. We have the cardinal number 20, right? So the number 20, we know it. But when we change it, in order, to use the ordinal number, we need to change the y for an I, and then we add e plus th, so 20th. And what happened if we want to use 21 as an ordinal number? Well, the only thing we use is the cardinal number and then the ordinal. For example, 21st. Can you see it? We have 21st, and then we'll have 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and again 30th. So that's it. These are ordinal numbers in English. So now you know. Come on, now it's time to talk about prepositions and which one is the correct form to say a day. Come on, let's see it. And here we are. Look at these examples. The first one, I was born on April the 20th, 1992. And that's true. I was born on April the 20th, 1992. So could you see, here we use the preposition on, because we have the complete date. We have the month, date, and year. April 20th, 1992. So before a complete day, we use, in this case, the preposition on. But now let's see another example. I was born in April. In this case, I'm only sharing the month. I was born in April. Remember, we use in for months, like in January, in February, in March, in April, in December, in September, in October, in July, in June. And if you only need to say the month, well, we use the preposition in for months. And if you want to use only a year, like 1992, again, we only use in. For example, I was born in 1992. Yes, I will be 30 soon. So don't forget it. When you talk about dates, you need to remember there are two ways to talk about or to say a date. For example, I was born on April the 20th, 1992. Or I was born the 20th of April, 1992. And of course, when we use days, we need to remember ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, or 10th. Alright, in this case, we have 20th. And always use the correct preposition. On April the 20th, 1992. In April, in 1992. Alright, so now it's time to practice saying dates. Come on, let's try it.